Welcome again to yet another session of mathematics revision, and there is this question that was requested by a candidate by the name John Juma, and it was tested in the Kcpe for the year 2015. It was question number 16, and I have analyzed a similar question that was done in the Kcpe for the year 2019, and it was question number 40. So if you can check that video, you'll find this similar topic has been analyzed, and it is about hire purchase and cash price. The subtopic is coming from the main topic on money, and this work was covered in class 7. Those who normally use the Jomo Kenyatta Foundation textbook, that is the primary mathematics, the work is available on page 165. And in class 8, similar work has been repeated on the same textbook for class 8, page 144. And that is why the government is saying that it will test the learners on what they have learned. So if today this question is brought, there should be no excuse that the learner have not covered this work because it was done in class 7. Now, before we analyze this question, it is always important to read what has been asked, or to read the statement carefully and understand. Let us go through this question together. We are told that the market price of a TV set is shillings 20,000. A 20% discount is allowed when buying the TV on cash. On hire purchase terms, only 12 monthly installments of shillings 2,000 each is paid. How much more does it cost to buy the TV set on hire purchase terms than cash? There's something I want to repeat. If this item is to be bought on hire purchase terms, only 12 monthly installments of shillings 2,000 each is paid. Going back to the previous video, we said that hire purchase is a way of buying goods by paying for them over a period of time. And the amount of money that is paid first is called deposit. The amount of money that is paid thereafter every month is called monthly installments. And something to note is that hire purchase price is always higher than cash price. Going back to this question, you will find that there is no deposit that was kept for that TV set. The seller agreed to receive the monthly installments without any deposit. So you need to note that. So, as we analyze this question, we shall first of all work out the cash price, and then we shall work out the hire purchase price. From there, we shall compare the two, because the question is asking how much more does it cost to buy the TV set on hire purchase terms than cash. And therefore, we are expecting the hire purchase price to be higher than the cash price. Let us work out the cash price for this TV set. Now, the market price is always 100%. And this 100% is equivalent to 20,000 shillings, because that is now the market price. And after a discount of 20% is allowed, then you'll find that now the buying price will be, you take the 100%, you subtract 20, and therefore you'll be left with 80% of the market price. That will now be the cash price, or the buying price. So, if we now take the 80% of 20,000 shillings, we shall have, first of all, we do away with those zeros, so we shall be left with 80 multiplied by 200, and therefore the cash price will be shillings 16,000. That will be the cash price. Now let us work out the higher purchase price. Since there is no deposit that is around here, we shall just take the monthly installment of 2,000 shillings and then we multiply by 12 months. There is no deposit here. Otherwise, if there could have been deposit, we could have added that deposit to what we shall get here after working out the installments. But now that there is no deposit, we shall just multiply 2,000 times 12, and this now will give us shillings 24,000, and this now will be the higher purchase price. So if you compare the cash price and the higher purchase price, this is higher than the cash price. Now, to answer the question, we are supposed to get the difference between the higher purchase price and the cash price. In this one, we can only do it by taking the higher purchase price, we subtract the cash price. Now that we have come up to this far, I would request the candidate to work out this expression here. Go back to the choices that we are given. See whether you'll be able to get the answer. And the answer that you are going to get, you can put it or you can write it on the comment area so that I check whether you have followed what we have done. Continue to subscribe to this channel so that you continue getting more and more questions analyzed. Thank you very much. Goodbye.